Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, black color, white color. Kids night coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color O N E 1, 2 T W 2, 3 T H R W 3. Kids night of 4, the numbers of 4, and use blue color F O U R 4, 5 F I V E 5. Kids night of 6, the numbers of 6, and use green color S I X 6, 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use green color and draw 8, the numbers of 8, E I G H T 8. Kids night draw 9, the numbers of 9, and use yellow color N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10, T E and 10. Kids night 11, the numbers of 11, and use black color 12, the numbers of 12, 13, the numbers of 13. Kids night 14, the numbers of 14, and use white color 15, the numbers of 15. Kids night 16, the numbers of 16, and use red color 17, the numbers of 17. Kids again use red color and draw 18, the numbers of 18. Kids night 19, the numbers of 19, and use blue color Kids last read 20, the numbers of 20, and again use blue color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.